In this video, we're going to look at how to add items into folders in Desmos. The first thing to do is to click on the Add Item button and select Folder. You'll notice the folder icon here, and I can name the folder. I'm going to call this one Folder 1. And I can put a few items in the folder. So, for example, I could do some arithmetic. So I could do 2 plus 4/3 or some example. I could also do some graphing like y equals x minus 3. I can tell that both of those items are in the folder because this drop down menu and this bar here includes them. Also, when I toggle the folder, it's going to shrink up and hide those items. If I enter an item, say I enter the square root of 6, and I want it to be in the folder, I can pick it up and drag it into the folder. Vice versa, if I don't want it in the folder, I can pick it up and drag it back out. I'm going to put that in the folder. Okay. I can shrink the folder, and I can also turn off everything in the folder so that I don't see anything in the graph. I'm going to make a second folder, so I can click on the plus icon and select the folder button, or I can type the word folder, and then I can name my second folder. So in this folder, I'm going to make a few graphs. And again, I can add items to the folder by hitting enter, and it just assumes that I want them in the folder. If I wanted to do another item out of the folder, I could type an item out of the folder down there. And now if I shrink this folder, I'll see that this one's still outside. If I turn off the folder, I'll see the graph that's not in the folder. And if I did want that to be in the folder, just drag it up there, and I have my two folders. I can expand those, and then I'll see what is in each side of them. And again, I can turn them off, turn them on, depending on what it is that I want to look at.